out the BMX track again, up the XMaxx out. I put on the stock Creighton wheels, the 8S, for a little bit more air control, because I was not getting anything on those. Oh, I don't remember what I had on yesterday. I don't remember. But they're heavy and they're not much. They might as well be belted. Because you didn't have any air control. I nosedived a few times. Damn it. I fucking knew that was gonna happen eventually. I saw that train coming. I don't know if I like jumping that way. That's kind of a... Well, I don't see nothing broke. I'm surprised that it is kind of chilly out here today. It's only about like 40. So it is a little chilly for the plastic. Everybody knows about the plastic. Fingers are even cold. And the one thing about the stock Creighton tires, the wheels, they have the metal insert. And much more durable on the... Oh yeah, I wasn't going to do this, was I? I'll go slow over that one. I don't want to make it a quick day. Something I kind of learned yesterday. Oh! Wouldn't you know it? Something broke. Well, that's the XMaxx for you. I banged it around quite a bit yesterday. And it's only a matter of time before the XMaxx break. Anybody tells me that XMaxx is that durable, they're full of shit. This thing broke more often than I am any other of my rigs. Actually, I just got this going about a few days ago after it had been sitting for a month. Well, the pillow ball broke. And that's the good one too. Huh. I suppose I can't drive it.